So, yeah, yeah, like she said. Right, so what we're going to do today, we've still got some cold temperatures on the way, but I think it'll be fine. I'm going to need to kneel down or something. You know what? It's not about me. This Garantia, what do they call it? Urban raised bed, or urban. Oh, it's, you know, urban something or other. They know what it is. I think it's a perfect thing for the kids to have a bit of fun with and do a bit of growing with. So we've got a few things we're going to plant in it. We're going to put some Chantenay carrots, some Sabuli red dragon onions, some little gem lettuce, and some sparkler radishes in. We were going to try and fit a Tiny Tim tomato in. Unfortunately, all my tomato plants, all my early tomato plants, got caught in a frost. So we're not going to do that today. We're just going to put these guys in, and we'll see how they do. So lift the lid, and you'll see I've actually put. Go on, it's all right. Put it off to one side. That's it.
Yeah.
I actually put in some of the spring onion seedlings that have been in.
They're doing really well, actually.
And they're quite happy. There you go, Sash.
Is this to lift up the...
No, that's just to stop it collapsing. So, anyway, with everything that's going on, they've now decided to play with the dog.
I just wanted to throw the ball for her.
So what we're going to do is we're going to sow some of these. Now, there's different techniques for different things, and we also need to think about spacing. All right?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is, who wants to do the radish? Okay, you want to do the radish.
I want to do the orange candy.
Okay, well that's going to be the last thing. So the radish, we want
Orange candy, please. That's what
some
we are.
4 holes. And you want to try and get, we might put some more radish in, 2 or 3 seeds in each hole. Alright, you take care of those. You want to do the carrots.
Orange candy,
Carrots, we're going to do right down on the end here. We want a trough for the carrots.
Oh, okay.
And then what we want to do is to open that packet, that packet of seeds up. Alright.
And plant.
Now, I don't know how well the carrots are going to do because this is brand new compost, which means it's got lots of nutrients in it, which in actual fact is a negative for growing carrots.
So low chance that they will survive.
So they'll survive, but they may not grow particularly pretty or nice looking carrots.
Yeah. Carrot.
But we'll give it a go. Then all we're going to do is rip off the top of the packet here. We'll make a little spout. And we're going to sprinkle very lightly all down that little groove there. So you'll go with that. Just use your finger and tap on the packet. That's it. Okay, move down. That's it. That's it. That's it. Stop. Now you need to cover those over. That's it. Just with a little bit of compost.
Radish is done.
Radish is done. Good. Well done. That's it. That's fine. All good. All good. Right. Who wants to do what? Don't tip the packet up. So what's next? Who wants to do what next?
I'll do onions.
You want to do onions? You want to do lettuce? Okay. Lettuce is going to need a bit more space. You've not covered them radish up yet, have you? That's good. We don't want to cover them up yet. We need to know where they are because the onions are going to go over there. Lettuce is going to need a bit more space, so we'll do a hole there.
A hole there.
We want a bit more lettuce than anything else, don't we? So
Make sure the cabbage flies don't come.
cabbage flies won't come for lettuce.
They'll only come for cabbage.
That's why they're called cabbage
Yeah.
flies.
And you sprinkle. Try and get just 1 or 2 seeds in each hole. Doesn't matter if you get 2 or 3 in, because we can always thin them out later. You're doing
I'm doing.
You're doing the Sabuli red onions.
Yep.
Okay. So the red onions. Let me just make Charlotte's holes. 1, 2, 3,
Maybe we don't
4.
like
No, that's fine. Don't worry about it. Now with the onions, we want 3 or 4 seeds in each hole.
So 3 or 4.
Yeah. And then once you've done the seeds, you can fill the holes up.
I shake.
Okay.
Okay. Not many seeds in here.
Is there not?
No.
Oh well. There's a magazine packet, so we're not too worried. Okay, so little gems. Do you want me to sprinkle some into your hand? Yeah, because they're little seeds. In one hand. Which hand are you going to use to put them in the hole with? Sprinkle some into your hand.
I'll tell you when I need more.
You won't need any more than that. There's only 6 holes and you only want 1 or 2 seeds in a hole. Don't have to be precise, Rosa.
What happens if I drop the seed into the soil?
Try and just flick it across. Don't worry about it too much.
We want lettuce anyway.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because last year it kind of failed, right?
No, we did well on lettuce last year. We didn't buy lettuce all summer, but this year we're going to try and grow it for longer.
Yep, I've done one in there.
Okay, now put another one in each hole, just in case the first one doesn't work. Keep it quiet.
Mum, what is it, Spider?
So you need to cover your holes up.
Alright.
Mum's sorting dinner out, I think. You need to cover your holes. That's it. Yeah, don't cover it up with big chunks. You want just soil, because big chunks the little seedlings can't grow through. Are they leftover seeds? Just chuck them over there for birds. There's hundreds in that packet, so we don't worry about that.
Oh, dear.
Are we going to worry about... Throw them on the dirt. Have you already done it? Never mind. Are we going to worry about labels? I don't think we need to worry about labels.
Should I bury?
We'll just recognise them.
Yeah, you can cover them up now, sweetheart.
I'll help you out there, Rosa.
No need.
Let Rosa do it.
Well, I've done
Rosa
3.
do it. She's, yeah. You can come and we'll set the hose pipe up. You can do some watering.
Yeah.
Turn the floor down.
Wait, let me.
No, let Charlotte do it. Just let the trigger. Just give them a little stick. Okay, so the only thing left to do now...
Wow, they're going back down again.
Yeah, they will do. So the only thing left to do now is just water those seeds in. That's it. Keep going. Give it, yeah, that's it. Just do that end bit as well, where the carrots were. There we go. Give these a little bit of a water while we're here.
I've already done a little bit though.
Oh well, it's fine. There's plenty of dirt in there.
Don't spray me. Don't.
Now, yes, we're expecting some cold temperatures still, but this thing warms up so quick, and the soil temperature, although now just been sprayed with cold water, but the soil temperature is so warm.
Before it got sprayed.
But that's fine. That's fine. You don't want the big bits.
Aw.
You don't want the big bits, otherwise the little plants can't grow through the big bits, or they struggle. You don't crush the little big bits. Anyway, you don't want to get your hands any dirtier than that, because dinner's here. So we're going to go have some dinner. But that's it. That's the Garantia planter sorted. So, it would make a great herb garden, but me being me, we've been a little different. And how simple was that for 2 young'uns, and they've got the majority of the ingredients of a salad in there.
Did I do it?
So in about 6 to 8 weeks, there could be nearly a complete salad in there. Happy days. Back down the plot.